Ladies and gentlemen, presenting our valedictorian, Lily.
Thank you, Dean. Thank you, everyone else. It is an honor to be the best student among us. And I have all these awards to prove it.
Thank you, Lily. Here's your diploma.
Wait, I haven't had the chance to show off all my awards. See?
Wow, that's great, Lily. Here's your diploma.
But I didn't get to show off my other awards.
Here you go. Next up is our second best student, Stacy. Stacy? Stacy?
Sorry, sir. I'm behind all these books. I'm coming, though.
Why do you have so many books?
I have to study for my next job.
With this diploma, you won't ever have to study again.
Not if I'm going into the space program. Just put the diploma on top, Dean Max. Too heavy! Ah! Oh no, not my books! Oh.
Here, let me help.
Thank you, Dean.
Oh. Next, our favorite drama actress, Lily.
Oh, I can't believe I'm graduating. I'd like to thank my mom, my dad, my dog, my...
You know, this isn't an award ceremony. You're just graduating.
To be or not to be, that is the question. I'm practicing for when I'm famous. Are you not entertained?
Come on, Lily. The show must go on.
I'm gonna miss you all. And scene. Great acting, huh?
Yeah, here, just take your diploma. Next to graduate is Joyce.
It's a pleasure, Dean Max. Thank you.
Oh, yeah, no problem. Congratulations. Huh? Why is my hat stuck?
Ha! Our hands are glued together. Get cranky.
What? Joyce?
I'm kidding, Dean. Glue comes off with water.
That's it. Just for that, you don't graduate today. You have to stay an extra semester.
No!
The next student we have is Lily. Lily, where are you?
Oh, there she is. Lily, he's calling you.
Oh, hi, Dean.
Lily, why are you facing that way?
I thought the ceremony was that way. I'll come right up.
Oh, well, here's your diploma. Lily?
Oh, sorry, Dean. You mean that way, right?
Huh? Wait, Lily, here's your diploma. This is why you don't skip graduation practice.
Okay.
Kids these days. Ooh, I've been waiting for this one. Next up, we have my daughter, Stacy.
Oh, thanks, Dad. Oh, it's so nice to be graduating.
Congratulations, Stacy. Oh, it's so hard to believe you're grown up now. I remember when she was a little girl and she used to fit in my arms.
Dad! I don't want to be embarrassed in front of the whole school.
Even as a little girl, she would get straight A's.
Can I just get my diploma now, Dad?
I'm just so proud of you. Come here.
Dad!
Next to graduate is the captain of the football team, Fred.
Yes! Dean, go long!
No! Fred, I don't play football. Look what happened to your diploma.
Oh, sorry, Dean. I'll just take the football and the diploma and go.
Yes. Next up to graduate is Joyce. Whoa!
Thank you, everyone. Stacy, take my picture. Yes, Miss Joyce. Okay, we're good, Miss Joyce.
What's going on? That's not your graduation gown.
Well, I got voted most beautiful girl in class, so Stacy's taking my picture for the magazine.
The magazine, can I take some with you?
Of course. Stacy, take my pictures. Okay, stand still, both of you. Perfect. Bigger smile, guys. There we go.
Congratulations, you officially graduated.
Thank you. I'm going to be a model.
Oh, great idea.
Slow down, Miss Joyce.
And next up is Lily. Lily, wake up.
Sorry, Dean. I'll be right up.
Lily's one of our best students when she's not... Lily, get up. Here you go, Sleepy Lily.
Oh, thank you.
As I was saying, Lily really is one of our best students. Lily! Just leave her that way. She'll be out for a while. Next to graduate, our local rock star, Stacy!
Whoa, radical! I can't believe I passed all my classes.
Congratulations, you should be very proud of yourself.
I feel like this calls for a performance.
Huh?
I'm gonna need this microphone All right. Rock on!
Take your diploma and go sit down.
Yes, sir.
Our next graduate is Lily.
Woo! Thanks, guys.
Lily, you can't bring snacks up here.
Oh man, hold on a second.
I'm proud to give you your diploma.
Thank you.
Huh? You still have food in your mouth. What did you say, Lily?
Thank you.
Was that your stomach?
Yeah, I'm just so hungry.
Just go sit down and eat.
Okay.
And Stacy is our next graduate.
Thank you, Dean. Whoa!
Stacy, are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. I'm
All
fine.
right, here you go.
Oh, thank you.
Stacy, you're so clumsy.
Sorry, Dean.
Here, take your diploma and be careful.
Thank you.
Up next, we have Lily.
Go, Lily! Good job!
Oh, why are you guys applauding? I still have a lot of school left.
This degree says otherwise.
But I want to be a doctor, so that means I have 4 more years of school.
Wow, a doctor? Round of applause for future Dr. Lily.
Now you jinxed it. I'll go sit down.
Oh, I was just trying to be supportive. And now a very special graduate, my mom.
Son, you know I have a bad knee. Come on and help me up.
Oh, sorry, Mom. Come on, Mom.
Thank you.
After 50 years, you're finally graduating. Here's your diploma, Mom.
Aw, thanks, sweetie.
Oh, stop.
You just look so cute in your teen uniform.
It's not a uniform.
Hi, everyone. Did you guys like our video? Leave a comment down below.
Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell button.
Give us a big thumbs up, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.